Everybody say Volcano Bay.
Volcano Bay.
Bay. Y'all silly.
Kristen.
Oh no, he looking at that phone.
Oh.
I heard somebody say something about some TikToks.
Oh, we gotta battle the kids because they think they can beat us. They think they could beat us.
Hold on, let me see.
And they can't. Cause they think they better than us, but they ain't.
I
should've brought my camera. I should've brought my camera. I'm gonna make y'all kiss my ass and then send y'all out the goddamn door.
Look at this nigga. All right, Princeton, come on. We gotta go. We're going to the water park today. Look, Princeton, say hey.
Hey. Hey. We're going to the water park. Go with the glasses.
Yeah, we're going to the water park.
Okay, Mommy.
And look, come here, Princeton.
Mommy, here's one.
Come here.
Okay, swim suits.
And look, isn't this so cute? Look at this. We are so cute with our matching swimsuits. I got on Queen. He got on Prince.
Mommy.
Ooh. Why you putting that in my face?
My mess, Mommy. Give me a mess.
That's not a mess. I told you once we come back from the water park, we
How many do the water? This is my water park.
All right, bruh.
Okay, let's go to water
I guess
park.
he told y'all.
Let's go to water park.
All right, we up out of here. To the water park we go. Everybody say Volcano Bay.
Volcano
Bay, baby. Dang, Sabrina, you wasn't even in there.
Alright, I'm trying to buckle Princeton's seatbelt.
Princeton, why you unbuckle yourself? First of all, glasses look cute on me.
Stop!
Alright. Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. And then you zoom in with this. Princeton, you ready to go to Volcano Bay? Huh? Yeah, that's the menu. So, and then I want to go carry my, what? Oh. Crazy. I'm not about to be carrying this thing around. But put that mask on. Put the mask on. Okay, come on, come on. Alright, where are you coming? You did it. Good job. Princeton.
Hot water.
Where we at? We on the lazy river? Look, say hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Ooh.
No potty food.
Yeah. Princeton, you want to get out? Come here, Princeton. Come here. You having fun? You having fun, huh? So, we're out of here.
We go down to the park.
Florida was fun.
And we go down to
We
the
got
park.
7 hours and some change.
Mommy, Mom,
Get on the road.
park.
What, Princeton?
We go down to the park, Mommy.
We're not going to the park. We're going home. You had a jam-packed,
Park.
fun weekend.
We go to
Is it in there?
No, we go to the park.
Princeton, let me see what time it is. Oh, we way past. We supposed to have been out of here. Let's check out at 10. She lost her phone. Her work phone. I died.
Don't ask for no more snacks on the road because you eating it all up now. You eating it before we even take off on the road. You should have saved it while we was on the road. It's already all gone. You don't know how the road snap. We didn't even pull out the driveway. You're already done with it.
I'm not done with it. Look.
Princeton, what happened to your arm right here?
Huh?
What happened to your arm right here? What happened? You scratched it? What happened to it? Did you scratch yourself? That's a big old scratch, Princeton. Yeah, look at that scratch on your arm. Okay, hold on, stop climbing on me. Your feet, your shoes are wet. You wanna kiss it? Is that better from your baby? Yeah, I don't know what happened to you. You got scratched. Does that feel better? Yeah. Okay, hold on. I gotta take these earrings out, but they hurt my ears. Yeah, your head hurts. That's because you're too rough. Georgia, finally. 2 hours and some change left. I'm about to push it down this road so we can get to the crib. I'm tired. I'm tired. Vacation time is over.